Get a personal shopper. Say goodbye to shopping hassles. Do you dread the thought of spending hours going from store to store, searching for the perfect outfit or the best deals? Well, say goodbye to all those shopping hassles because there's a solution that will save you time and stress. A personal shopper. A personal shopper from StyleBuddy is like having your own fashion guru. They understand your style, preferences, and budget, and they do all the shopping for you. Whether you need a head-turning outfit for a special event or a wardrobe update, they've got you covered. It's as easy as contacting a personal shopper from StyleBuddy, sharing your requirements, and let them work their magic. From picking out the trendiest pieces to getting the best discounts, they handle it all, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your new outfits. Want to learn more? Visit our website today.